This is a lightweight portable fireplace mantle that the brand sent over for me to try, and this thing is really beautiful. You can see it looks like a real fireplace mantle, but this thing is made entirely out of cardboard, which is really, really cool. The cardboard has this beautiful, like, dark marble texture on the base and around the face, and then this light marble texture around the rest of the mantle. And it just looks really, really attractive. But again, it's cardboard, and so it folds down really nice, collapses. It came in a box about yay thick, and you just pull everything out and fold all the pieces and fit everything together, and then this is what you get. So really, really attractive, looks really nice. Here in the front, there is a nice cutout here where you can put a 24-inch TV or monitor for a nice video fireplace. You want to make sure that it has access to YouTube, that it has streaming capabilities. The manual comes with a QR code for this YouTube video of the nice fire and crackling noises, which sound really nice, and the video looks great. If you don't have a screen or you don't want to do a screen, it does come with this optional cardboard insert that has kind of a picture of fire, and this just slides into some slots on some flaps that are inside, so that you can do that if you want to. But really where this shines is having the screen with the video. That just looks really, really nice. So again, this thing is great. You can tear it down, take it down if you don't want to have it up all the time, if you just want to do it maybe seasonally or something like that. Or I think this would also be great as like a prop, for like theater or something like that. We do theater in our house, and I think this would just be really, really awesome stage prop. So one thing to note about the screen is that you would probably do better with a screen that has feet that come down on the sides rather than one base in the center, just because there's a little flap here that kind of sticks back, and so you'd have to modify that flap if you had a base in the center. You could do that, like that's fine, but just something to note that you'd probably have to modify the cardboard for that. But otherwise, I think this is just a really, really cool thing. I want to say thank you so much to the brand for sending it to me to try, and I would highly recommend it.